It's Sunday the 11th of December, so let's have a look at the Australian dollar US dollar for the trading week ahead. Okay, so this market has basically just been chopping along for the last week. We're basically up at strong level of resistance right here. Let's just mark it in. It's basically as the market has came up into this square of support and resistance right here, which is what we've been going over for the last couple of weeks. So the market made a very strong move down, and then it began its pullback. Now on the pullback, we've seen little rejections on the way up, like this. However, what we've went over in these videos is that this is where we begin to get into the key levels where we can potentially see the market continuing on its downward move. So that's the reason that we've seen these reactions and we've seen the market pausing at these levels. Basically, the way I'm looking at this market now is as though it is in a short-term range. So until we start to see direction from this market now, I'm just trading it as though it is range bound. Basically, the market is just holding at these levels. We have basically a shelf of support and resistance right here. Where you can see the market has been dropping down, making all these tails where it's been bouncing off of this level. It's then been coming up into the resistance above where it has been rejecting. So going into next week, I will be continuing to watch these two levels as support and resistance. If the market begins to break up, next key level is up here, sort of 7,565 up to 7,580, which is lining in with the top of our little square of support and resistance. Also, the key levels back here. You can see where the market's been reacting over and over again. And then if the rally is sustained, as we keep going over, key level is the sloping support and resistance line. Now, if the market begins to break down, you can see where the market has been bouncing right here. It's acted as a good level of support. You can see the market breaking up here. It then returns down, tests this level, and this is where it pushes off of once again. Below that level, we're back down at the lows right here, where the market broke down to when it broke our ascending triangle from a number of weeks ago. So those are the key levels, guys. I'm looking for further evidence of direction now on this market. It is in a downtrend. However, we are currently making a pullback of this downtrend. Until I see stronger evidence, not candles with lots of pins, not bouncing between support and resistance, I'm just trading it as though it's range bound in between these key levels of support and resistance. Okay, so I hope you all have a good trading week next week. I'm James Orr, and thank you.